Do you mind if I plus verb is used to ask permission and to make a polite suggestion to do something. Examples. Do you mind if I drink this iced tea? Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I open the windows? It's getting hot in here. Do you mind if I use your computer for about 30 minutes? Do you mind if I take a rain check on that drink tonight? Do you mind if we discuss this later? Do you mind if we invite more people to the party? Do you mind if we hold the barbecue party in the backyard? Do you mind if we put off the meeting until early next week? Do you mind if we eat out for dinner tonight?